Hello and welcome to Skillweb. In this video, I will show you how to delete a row in Google Docs. So let's get started the video. At first, open your Google Docs file and find the table where you want to delete a row. Now right-click anywhere on the row you want to remove and from the menu, click Delete Row. So there you go. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Skillweb. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.